it's very sad, I should say, that the Trinamool Congress has made this statement, because to be very frank, when they were in power for 8 years, they didn't do anything about it. And now when finally something has happened, they just simply want to undo it because maybe they were not part of the actual solution at that point in time. I don't know why they are feeling this way. I think they should take it in a positive manner and be happy that we finally found a solution to a very, very complicated problem like this. And I was going through the statements that have been made by the opposition leader, and he mentioned that the proper surveys and the maps and the different kind of revenue maps should have been looked at. I just want to tell all of you that the maps and the reports that were made, I repeat this, and I think you asked the question also to him, is that these maps were made by them. And the reports that were submitted were those reports that were put in by them. Hence, if the revenue maps had to be seen, then they should have seen it in 2011-12. Now, after the maps and studies and the surveys were done by the government of Meghalaya, irrespective of a Congress government or a NPP government or an MDA government, the point is that the government of Meghalaya in 2011 went through the revenue maps, went through whatever maps, and submitted a report to Assam saying that these are the areas of differences. And now those same people are saying that we should go back to the revenue map. Aren't you, negating your own work and your own stand, the work that you did, the reports that you put in? Now you're telling us, why did we accept those reports? So it's quite strange that the opposition leader has made these kind of allegations, because if he is making allegations, then he's making allegations against himself only. Because we were not there when the reports were made. And now if he's asking us that why are we accepting and why did we work on the basis of the report that was submitted by him, and that we should not have seen those reports and gone through the revenue map, I think it's ridiculous. So he's just trying to make this an issue. For the last many years, months, they didn't make this an issue, and now suddenly, maybe because elections are coming, they're trying to find what's happening, what's there, what issues to bring up. Maybe they're making this an election issue. I would urge them that these are not the kind of issues that one should look at. They look at development issues, different issues that are there concerning the people. But an important issue like this border issue, a document which was made by him and submitted by him, and based on that document, we got 99.9% strike rate in terms of the areas of differences which we had with Assam. He put those documents, he said that these are the areas of differences, and we worked on that report, and I'm happy to tell you that 99% of those areas have come to those villages, 99% of those villages have come to Meghalaya. So I don't think he should try to make that an issue, and I would urge all of you also to make sure that the right message goes to the people, that whatever the demands were there by Meghalaya, whatever reports were put in, we have got 99% of the villages have come to Meghalaya, and I think people are happy, and we should ensure that this deal is completed, this process is completed in terms of the second phase, because the people of the state have suffered for too long, and I urge the opposition that these are not the kind of issues that one should play politics with. These are very important. People of the border area have suffered, and we have only tried to resolve an issue which has been pending for so long, and we're happy that with the support of Government of India and the Government of Assam, that we have been able to reach to this point.